Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. For some time now I have not been able to post some videos, basically because of some reasons, but then I'm sorry for that, for not keeping you up to date with updates and some of the tips on how to go about your businesses. So in this video I'm going to actually show you how to use GetResponse or sign up on GetResponse and actually start an email marketing as a business owner, whether you run an online store or you're an affiliate marketer or freelancer. I'm going to actually show you how to sign up on GetResponse and get started. All right, so the first step is to actually go to your browser. If you are using your phone, actually you're going to go over to your browser. As for me, I'm using Chrome. You can actually use any of the browser that suits you. So I'm going to use Chrome to show you the process on how to actually use GetResponse as an email marketer or for your email marketing. Okay, so stick with me in this video. If this is your first time watching my video on this channel, do well to subscribe to the channel, post notification, like the video in order to get notified whenever I with you recent or similar updates on how to go about your businesses online. Okay, so we're going to go over to GetResponse. So we're going to type in GetResponse. Okay, so this is getresponse.com. So I'm going to search GetResponse. As for me, I actually have an account. So for you, you might need to create a new account. Okay, so as you can see, this on phone. Actually, as you can see, it's actually an email marketing software where you get to send bulk email copies to your audience, okay, irrespective of the type of business you are running. So as for me, if you haven't signed up, you can actually use the link I put down below in the description to sign up. And if you already have an account, I'm going to recommend that you log in and watch the process and the tutorial on actually how to go about your email marketing using this email marketing software. There are actually a bunch of other email marketing softwares out there, but the one I recommend is GetResponse, because I've been using GetResponse for some while now and it has been good for me. Okay, so without any waste of time, we're going to go over it. As you can see, this is it. And if you haven't created an account, this is it. You need to fill in your full name, your email, and your password. That's actually the process you just need to get started. So as for me, I won't go about creating more accounts because I already have an account. So I'm going to click on login to show you how the software look like and how you actually use the software. Okay, so this actually just the terms of service, so this is actually irrelevant, but if you want to read it, you can actually go over it. Then I'm going to go over to login. I'm going to go over to login to my account to show you some of the things you need to know about GetResponse before actually using it online. It's actually an email marketing software that you use to send email copies to your audience. So I can see login to GetResponse. I'm going to fill in my email and my password. I actually have up to 2 accounts, so I'm going to use this one. Okay, let me use this. Keep me logged in for 30 days. Let me just use that and log in for us to see how to use this email software. Okay, we have however and munch it. I think, is it munch it or munch something? Then that's actually other email marketing email marketing software you can actually use to send email copies to your audience. But I want you to note this: you having an email software doesn't mean that you're going to make sales in business. Your email copy needs to be actually convincing and persuading. So without a good email copy, I don't think sending out bulk email copies will even do well for your business, because one email copy can actually change the narrative of your business. So don't actually go about looking for the best email marketing software. Look for the best way on how you can sell to your audience. Okay, that's what I always tell my subscribers. So as you can see, this GetResponse. So if you are someone who hasn't used GetResponse before, I'm going to actually walk you through on how to get started using GetResponse. Okay, so as you can see, this is it. You can actually create form, you can create landing page, you can add contacts manually, you can create autoresponders. So you can see these are the new contacts I have down below here. The contacts I added are actually 48. The ones I added, as you can see them, these are the contacts here down below. So for you can actually go over to tools. These are tools at the top left hand side of the video. Let me zoom it out for you to actually see it clearly. I actually reload it. All right, let it finish loading, then we continue. Sorry for the distraction actually. So I'm going to actually show you the tools you can actually use to send out your email copies to your email subscribers. Okay, so if you are someone running a business online, either affiliate marketing, freelancing program, selling physical products online, I'm going to recommend that you use email software just as this for you to send bulk email copies to your subscribers. So this is tools. You are going to go over to tools. This is it up here. This is tools right there. So I'm going to click on tools. So once you click on tools, you are going to see email marketing, autoresponders, website builders, landing pages, forms and pop-ups. So actually, if you want to actually run an email marketing, that's to send email copies to your subscribers, you are going to use the email marketing. But then if you want to use a landing page to receive email subscribers, that is for your audience to hop into your list, to add them to your list, then I'm going to recommend you use landing page. Then let me show you this landing page here. This landing page. So we're going to click on landing page. You're going to actually see a bunch of landing pages you can use to collect emails. All right, so if you are running a business, I'm going to recommend that don't always share your direct link to your product. Always collect their email for you to get in touch. All right, so as you can see, these are my landing pages. So I'm going to just say create landing page here. Create landing page. These are the ones I have actually created. So I'm going to create landing page. And also take note, you always have a limit. For GetResponse, you can actually use the premium features for 30 days, and after 30 days you are going to be required to pay for their hosting. So I'm going to show you how to go about the pricing, but for now let's see how we can actually use the free version, because you can actually use the version to run your email marketing. All right, so this the landing page template you can actually use to collect email as a business owner online. Okay, so if you are still watching me on this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification, like this video and share this video to gain visibility. So as you can see, these are actually templates you can use to collect emails. All right, once you go over to landing page, these are email marketing template you can actually use. As you can see, this is general. If you go over to general, you are going to see the general templates, the ones you can actually use to run your email marketing. And if you want your audience to download, you can actually see download. If you want to make sales, you can actually use any of the email marketing templates here. Okay, so I think after that, these are actually the landing pages you can use. So let's go back to tools and see other features that GetResponse. As you can see, this is forms and pop-ups. These are e-commerce tools. So if you're an e-commerce person, you can actually use it. This for paid ads. You can actually see a bunch of tools you can actually use to run your email marketing. So for you to upgrade to use the premium features, you are going to come over to upgrade. For you to see the pricing, you are going to go over to upgrade. And if you want to actually use GetResponse, you can actually use the link I provide for you down below in the description to actually get started using GetResponse. Okay, you can actually use the free version and you are going to get the premium features for 30 days, and after 30 days you are going to be required to pay for one of the hosting. But never to worry yourself, even if you don't have the money to pay for it now, you can actually continue using the free version to run your email marketing. Okay, so let's actually see the pricing of GetResponse before we continue with the video. All right, it's actually loading. So this is actually it's loading. Let's give it a while. I think it's actually still loading. I actually want to show you the pricing plans that you can actually use in GetResponse for you to gain the premium features or the better features for you to run your email marketing. So I think my network is bad at this point. All right, so this is it. So as you can see, for the monthly plan, you can see You can see it down below. And as you can see the features, this is it: unlimited newsletters, autoresponders, AI email generator, website and landing pages, 24/7 chat support, integration. So these are the plans, and the monthly plan goes for $19 per month. And as you can see, you can get up to 1,000 contacts, that's email subscribers. And if you can actually even change it to 100,000 contacts, as you can see, these are the prices. If you go over for this $59, you can actually see $59 per month. You're going to get 1,000 contacts too. And as you can see down below, you can see email marketing for monthly plan up to 100,000 email subscribers. As you can see, these are the features you are going to actually enjoy for email marketing. This one is for automation. If you are someone who has other businesses to plan, I'm going to recommend you go for automation. And you can see autoresponders, platform and support, list management, segmentation, website builders. And these are the features you can actually get whenever you use any of these plans. Okay, if you go to the 12-month plan, you are going to actually see other plans to use. Okay, so actually this is actually a brief explanation, or rather brief tutorial on how to go about GetResponse. It's actually an email marketing software you can use to collect email from your audience and within time nurture them and sell to them. Okay, but then as I've earlier said, make sure your email copies are always convincing and persuading, because you can't perform any magic using these email marketing softwares. The thing you need is a well-written copy. All right, that's what is going to win you, get you a successful business. Okay, so guys, if you have been able to learn something new from this video, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notification, share this video for this video to gain visibility. I'm going to see you in my subsequent videos to share with you up-to-date information on how to make money online. And I've actually been thinking of let me just say posting about forex, because I've been able to gain a little knowledge about forex. So within time, I'm going to actually switch to forex trading, and I look forward to sharing with you forex analysis and what I actually know about forex. Okay, so if you have been able to learn something, do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification. I'm going to see you in my other videos. Thank you guys.